to split one HDMI output from PS4 or laptop to 4 HD TV or HD monitor. Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. In this video I will show you how to use this. This device is HD Splitter 1 to 4. By this device you can convert one HDMI output, for example PlayStation 4 or Xbox or laptop, to 4 HD TV or HD monitor. In this video I will show you and test quality this device. Let's go. Okay my friend, please subscribe and comment about quality this device. If you need this device, link in description.